Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to assemble this little Audi car. So first of all, take your clippers and clip away at the wheels. Just get those free of the sprues. That will make that good. There you go. There's those wheels already. Up next, you have the front of the vehicle as a sprue piece. Clean off that sprue mark. Next, you have this little sprue piece. Just cleaning off the little sprue marks. Little pieces there. Next, here's these. Alright, there's that car pieces there. So, some smaller pieces to work with here. Just try to clean up those sprue. There you go. So the cutting away process is done. Now let's glue this thing together. So as you can see, just this. Go like this. Very good. And then, alright, so this piece should be all glued together and all done. Next, just take some glue, put it like that. And then of course, put this piece on this front of the vehicle. So there's the front. All right. Next, why don't we go ahead and put on the wheels? All right. So just go ahead and put some glue there, glue there. And just put that little axle in the middle of that tire. And on the other side now. There you have it. So now the vehicle's done, and if you wish to keep the Audi car as is, I guess you could. But if you wish to have all those lights, you can do that too. So here is that process. Gonna be some small parts to work with here. So just put a little glue there, and then try to get that piece on like that. So that was a success. And then just put a little glue there, a little glue there. Perhaps some tweezers would do well for this. Then place those lights like that. That worked out well. Now the next delicate lights. Go ahead and see if we can take some tweezers here. Put some glue like that. Now, try to get that there. I think that made it. Next. It's good. Try to let those little pieces dry. Don't let it get glued to your finger. Good grief. Wow. Okay. Great. Up next, just go ahead and put some glue in 3 spots here, like so. And let's go ahead and do the other side. And be sure to look at reference images too, make sure you're doing it correctly. But I'm pretty sure it's like that. I'm gonna need some tweezers just to be sure that this actually gets glued down. Be generous with that glue, get that there. As you can see, it can be a bit of a fiddle, but once it's there, you'll be happy. There you go. So here is this race car, the Audi car, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.